Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you to increase your font size inside Snapchat to make your text and chats easier to read. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, I'm going to open up Snapchat to see the size of text I have. Alright, as you can see, my text is this size. So if I want to make it larger, I'm going to head back to my home screen, head over to my settings app on my phone, and then search for display. Click into display, and then from there there'll be font size and style. Click into that, and it's as simple as moving this slider down below. So currently it's set at the third level. I'm going to max it out so the text would look like that. And now what I need to do is go over and head back into Snapchat. Alright, I've opened up Snapchat, and as you can see, my users are a lot bigger now. And if I click into a conversation, there you go, the chats are a lot larger too. So yeah, it's as simple as that, guys, how to increase your font size inside Snapchat. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.